Hello, my name is Victor Foster. I am a certified ITIL instructor. ITIL is an IT service management framework. Something that I say a lot is that pretty much everything we do is enabled by IT to some extent or another. The same thing will soon be true when it comes to artificial intelligence, also known as AI. And I'm glad that I found AI CERTs because they have courseware that's really accessible. It's diversified, lots of different ways to learn about AI. And I think everyone needs to become more familiar with AI, to become comfortable with AI, because soon it's going to be part of everything that we do, or it's going to underpin everything that we do. So it's really important that everyone should learn about it. And I think AI CERTs is a great avenue that's accessible to even those who are not really technical, those that don't know how to code, everyday people, because everyone is going to be affected and everyone needs to have a level of understanding of what AI is, how it's used, and how it's going to affect your everyday lives. So I want to encourage everyone, if you're interested in AI and learning about AI CERTs has a diverse set of courseware that will be able to meet your needs, whatever they might be. Thank you.